to be really, it's really important to explain to SCR operator to not do this. Because each time I got some issue with this kind of microphone. It's the operator that made worst bad use, in fact. The microphone got an address, and if you change the address, the microphone won't work. And most of the issue I see is that somebody changed the address of the microphone. And after they call the microphone not work, but the address is really changed. So when you press mic and chime, you enter configuration mode, you press on the C key, and then you can set the volume of microphone or chime directly on the console. It's to make a volume adjustment. And it's the only place, configuration place that you can modify. The other is really not to modify, it can make disturb the system. So you have to be really careful with this. Okay?
Be careful.
So the console is provided with this document who tell you how to use the system. We provide it in Word form that you can change message 1, message 2, message 3 with the name of the message you want. And it's a document made for the SCR operator. So, like I say, the big difference with the existing system, as the operator always selected all the zone with the actual console, they just push on microphone or shine button and they make the announcement. With the new system, it will be obliged to select the zone they want and after push on the microphone or shine stick. That is right here. Select the zone you want. Keep push the shine button, and when the LED of the microphone key is on, you can make the announcement. At the end of the announcement, you can cancel the selection, or if you do nothing, the zone selected will be removed automatically. Okay?
Okay.
It's good for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello to Pixan. I have a question. Regarding if someone accidentally changed the configuration on the console, is there a reset button to revert it to factory settings?
Reset.
No, there is not a reset button. You have to verify and to make the configuration, to reduce the configuration as it would be it's set factory. It's something if the console won't work. For example, that's happen if you change the address of the microphone. You can select the zone, but there is no sound. In fact, and it's a way for troubleshooting the system.
Kita pag pinagpapawisan ka lang.
At times.
Understand.
Yeah.
Iba dito. Yan.
Mike and Chai.
Hindi tayo sanay. Ano natin, no? Kung pwede pag-tuwayin yung ano.
After the console platform.
EGM.
So it's the same one. We reuse the platform. The difference is that you will not have the red LED to indicate that the system is not ready, because the system is always available for this console.
This is the overview.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So if there's no questions, if there's no specific question, then we can go to Martin.
Professor, could you please back the configurations one more? This one. Yes, this one. Just as informations for everybody. This one, here's outside platform concourse current status, loudspeaker already check, and all speakers available now. And the noise sensors, these noise sensors already replaced to a new one. Because we found many different faults in the noise sensors. So finally, we already changed. All noise sensors already replaced. And also the platform console box. This box was very old one, so we already provided a new mic console box. And this mic console already put in this box. So it means wayside, not wayside, outside of equipment room already changed, already status is okay. And the connections of existing rack to other devices already checked. And we found two fault in station 6 and 12. This speaker line also the replace, and now it is okay. It works. So migrations will be this station equipment room only, and station equipment room and station control room. These two locations are target, how to say so, migration work in equipment room and control room. This is a remote migration work will be required, this two locations. That is just for information, additional information.
Yes, thank you very much.
Sakai-san.
Yes, very good. So Ludovic-san, that's all for the rehabilitation plan and concept. Can we go to remote migration procedure?
Okay.
Yes. Can you take over this material?
Yes. Okay. Yes. So,
3 to 4 hours.
As you know, migration work for one station shall be completed within 3-4 hours in one night.
3 to 4 hours.
Normally, some things it's okay. If we make all the necessary preliminary works. In case of incomplete migrations, shift system should be resumed back to the existing pair system within 3 hours or 4 hours at last. I hope it won't happen for this. So remote migration work include the installation of hardware and cable connection at SER and SCR, installation inspection at SCR and SER, and SAT functional check, some level check at SER, SCR and platform. Okay. So for remote migration, there's some preliminary works made in 6 months in October. We made a trial migration during shutdown period from 31 October to 2nd of November. So this will be consistent. I think it's station 8. We'll make the migration during daytime for you. And I'll be in backup to help you for this migration. That we'll do during this trial migration is to change to hand over all the equipment to check to test the different software, everything. Okay. And migration work to be complete by beginning of December. So beginning of December, all the system should be changed. Some question about this?
Yeah, can I have some questions? So regarding the migration that should be finished within 3 to 4 hours, and then 3:30 to 4 should, if in case that it's not complete, so meaning it should be finished before 3 o'clock. The migration.
Yes.
So that it's going to be still enough time. If it's incomplete, then still have enough time to return back to the system.
Yes, I think so.
30 minutes.
It was normally on the for the
Hindi kasi sa power.
migration work, so the
Open na yan.
start would be after the operation. So it's simply said that we will start 12 o'clock
11:30 na kami.
midnight. Then 3 hours to finish the migration.
Yeah.
11.
Yeah.
11:30 na kami.
11:30.
I just want to clarify that.
11:30 to 3:30.
Yes, I see.
Three dapat stop
Very
na.
short time.
Kasi
Back na kayo sa normal yung 3.
yung 3, oo.
It's very
Without
short because
failure yun.
what I'm saying is that if it is not complete, we should return back to the existing PA.
Kasi pag hindi nagaling yung migration yun, din nagmas sa
I'm
new
sorry,
babalik
I'm
nyo rin
saying
sa
that
existing.
it should be finished within up to 3 a.m.
3 a.m. finish
In
na.
case of some problem, then you can return back to the existing PA.
Ang critical lang naman kasi dito, sir, yung taas na part.
Yeah.
Yung bagong taas. Kasi yung luma,
And that's all.
okay yung luma.
Kaya nga,
Madali
hindi pa-
lang ikimit yun sa ano.
Hindi pa nga natin alam yung bago nyo tsaka existing eh.
Yes, but
Baka
I hope
hindi
that's
meron siya hindi compatible, hindi natin matapos within 3 a.m. Dapat may balik dun sa existing para umandar.
Counter lang yung oras, 30 minutes.
Kaya nga yan, without failure dapat yan.
Electricians or workers, who are going to work for this migration one, needs to be, let's say, to understand what they have to do, and also, they need to be, let's say, experienced for the migration work. Because, everything has to be done within 3 hours, or maximum 3.5 hours, I think. So that's the most, important and key issues
Pwede
that
naman
we
siguro
have to
magsimula ng 11.
understand.
Ang mahirap kasi yan, sir, yung sa connection talaga. Ito yung
Yeah, I think so.
Kasi mahirap ibalik yan. Kunyari, nakabit na
And
yung
that's
lahat.
why we need the people
Tapos yung baba kasi ang pinaka,
let's say, who knows
pinaka,
signaling
the
room yan.
system and who is
ito pinakamahirap. Kasi ito nga to, nakakonect na sa ano, sa
operating.
isa. Yung baba nito kasi, noise analyzer lang yung mag-directa dun sa amplifier eh. Ito yung mahirap. Once na may ano ka dyan, ibabalik mo ulit sa luma.
Yeah, pag may failure ka.
Okay, yes, please. Right.
Kung mas maganda sana kung meron silang kable para dito talaga.
okay.
Yeah, okay.
So for remote migration, we will keep in contact from France, Japan, and Mania. Make this. So for the remote migration,
Ayan yung mga
preliminary works are already done right now. It's installation of the new pair system rack near the existing pair system rack at all sales of station and depot. So
Mas malaki
it's
yun.
Nakakabita
use
na
to
natin.
move the cable,
Oo.
the facility to move the cable. It's made for this. The
Tapos na ba sinali?
that's
Wala na gagawin.
new pair system.
1.5 days. So, in order to have enough time for the remote migration, and during this remote migration, let's say if the trainee or attendees from EOTR, if it is interested in, then please join us. If not, it is not mandatory to join this meeting. So these are the issues, what we are going to work, in which way we are going to work for migration. But maybe it is not so important for the OTR, not so important for the OTR people. But from 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we are going to explain about the maintenance issues. So please join everyone, the OTR, including me. So we can generate an explanation of the schedule. show the presentation card?
Yeah, yes. Hello, everybody. Is everybody see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can see.
Yeah? Okay, so we start with some basic notion for acoustic to have a view of sound system, how it's work, and that you can well understand how that we do during this training and for the rehabilitation. So first we speak about the sound itself, the loudspeaker, and after the electroacoustic channel. Okay. If you have some question, stop me. It's okay. So for the sound is mechanical vibration. It's transmitted to by air molecule moving. So it's a wave. The sound level is acoustic pressure, measured in decibel. It's composed with frequency, high frequency and low frequency, treble and bass. There is several frequencies in the bandwidth, and the sound goes celerity of sound, 300 meters per second. There is a masking effect, and the propagation of sound, it's the way sound moving. Okay? Masking effect is the fact that a noise can cover a sound. You can throw it in the station. When a train comes in, you less hear the sound around you. But the train makes more sound than you. So here you can see the level of sound expressed in decibel. So for the train we are around 70 to 90 in a station when the train comes. It's a strong noise. So it's necessary to have some speaker to make announcement. So the propagation of sound is the way that the sound wave go in the space. So there is two waves, the direct wave, the optimal sound, the sound that comes directly from the speaker, and the reverberation field that make an echo and which squeeze intelligibility of speech. It's made by the sound, the reflecting of sound on the wall, everywhere. So the sound is composed with direct sound and reverberation field. To reduce,
You can ask for any kind of things related to the training, and then we will try to answer as much as possible. And now, okay, just let me explain about the organization. Trainer already introduced Ludovic David, Mr. Ludovic David. First name is Ludovic, and second name is David. And he came from Boyer Systems, and joined to us as a trainer from France this morning. In France, it's the time 3:30, 3:35 in the morning. It's too early actually, but because of the time difference, we used to join from the early evening. And then chairman from Japan, my name is Katsuya Sakai. I'm a communication engineer, where I take the chairmanship in this training. And trainee is VOTR, SP Philippines, and Rusland Trading and Construction. It's a new subcontractor for us. So I hope I will.
だからそれ映んなかったら私がシェアしようか。
あ、お願いします。
ファイルはどのやつ？
今朝、
最新のやつでいいのかな？
最新のやつ。今朝、見といたのをファイル。
ちょっとそれはさ、ファイル名言ってくれたらどうでしょう？
テクニカルトレーニング。
それいいんじゃないですか。
テクニカルトレーニング。
Quite high, so I will share 2020 PDF
それじゃない。テクニカルトレーニング October 7th, 2020 and Revision 1.
Revision 1だね。ちょっと進めといて。
はい。
時間かかったらちょっと進めといて。1分30。
Sorry, I cannot show you right now, but Suzuki-san is now working now. And I hope the training material is coming up very soon. But while he is trying, I'm explaining about the basic issues in this technical training. And first of all, our training methods are actually we are going to have 4 different sections. First one is A. That is a basic acoustic. Second one, rehabilitation plan. And actually, we need to explain to you, and everyone needs to understand the rehabilitation concept and plan. And otherwise, we cannot go to the rehabilitation procedure. So the rehabilitation plan is core of our activities in this rehabilitation process. So we'd like to use some time for this rehabilitation plan and concept. And then C is migration procedure. Migration procedure, as said by Suzuki-san at the beginning, is the most important part of our training. And then we would like to use maybe 1 day, two 1 day, or maybe more. Actually, this is quite up to Lutovic-san's presentation. But let's say we will have enough time. We will try to have enough time for this migration procedure. And the last part, D, is the basic maintenance. We'd like to explain about the maintenance, let's say, we'd like to explain the guidelines for the maintenance to be made by, let's say, to be followed by SP maintenance team. We'd like to explain about the, let's say, concept of preventive maintenance and concept of corrective maintenance. And then we'd like to explain about the cycle, how many frequencies we'd like to have in a year for the maintenance, preventive maintenance. So we have such 4 basic items. Then, yes. So this is our schedule for our technical.
Already
Can we proceed?
Sure. You can start now, and probably they will catch up on the taking.
Okay, so this confirms attendees. Our side from Japan, myself, Hiroshi Suzuki, and Katsuya Sakai joined this training. And from France, Boyers, Ludwigsons attended. And from Philippines, our side, SP Jamsons attended, and Lionsons attended. And SP from company, our subcontractor, Bismarck, 7 people, and Noida-san attended. And from DOPL side, Fernando-san, Andrew Arena-san, Shiara-san, and Jennifer Buddhist-san, Joel-san, Jennifer is from SP. Okay. Attended. Thank you very much. And today we will proceed the web conference. Maybe there are many noise from your microphones. So please turn off the microphones when you are without any, how to say, to avoid the noise. Turn off the mic. And if you want a question, if you have a question, turn on the mic and ask us your questions anytime. Okay, let's start the training first. As informed the SC letters issued September 13th, we have a training for remote migration with yes. We have two kinds of training now done. Today we will proceed the training for remote migration. And the main topic is remote migration. And the training will carry a public conference among the Philippines, France, and Japan. And the chairman is the key person of the MHIH. And the trainer is the supplier Boyers, and the schedule shown is below the tables. This morning, we will proceed the technical training, acoustic, point of acoustic items. And we will change 1 p.m. After that, we will proceed the remote migration concept. Details will change. Sakai-san will explain later. And tomorrow, the remote migrations, morning hours and daytime after lunch. And the Saturday, 9th October, we have a training for the maintenance work. And the second kind of training, it will be carriers on the 2nd November for operation training by using actual devices. After remote migration successfully completed,
operation training will be carried out the 2nd November. Main topics is operation training for station staff, DOTR station staff. And training will be carried out the web conference system among Philippines, France, and Japan. And the chairman is MHIH, and the trainer is Boyer or MHIH. And the item is morning hour, 10 a.m. to lunchtime, 2nd November, lecture course. Training is a DOTR and the TSP. Place is a DOTR office. Maximum 20s, including 13 SCR staffless. And after that, first trial migration will be carried out up to station 8. So we will move to the from depot to station 8, and including the lunch time. And proceed from 2nd 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Station start for station 1 to 4. And the place is station 8 SCR. And 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. is HCR start from the station 5 to 9. And 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. is SCR start for the station 10 to 13. This is the second training, operation training. So today, we will proceed this item, basic training and remote migration concept. We will train. If you have any questions, please ask us anytime. Okay. From now on, Sakai-san and Ludovic-san explained. Okay, I give you the right over share screens.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Sun. So, good morning to everyone, and thank you very much for your joining to our training course. As Suzuki-san already explained to you, we are going to have a 3 days training course, and the day is still not moving.
File size is very big, so
excuse me, just a general caution to everyone. Since the network load can sometimes quite high, so in order to lower the network loading, you please cut down the camera. And also, as Suzuki-san said, it's better to mute your microphone. And then only when you want to speak on the microphone, then you can switch on. And then in the training course,
Yes, Sam.